So let us solve next problem, and this is also a bit tricky approach. Okay, we need to use a bit tricky approach to solve it. I think you might have observed that from last 3 to 4 videos we are solving we are solving the problems with tricky approaches and smart approach, not with too hard work and not with too lengthy approaches. Understood? So here better than doing hard work, try to do the smart work and think smart, try to do the adjustments, focus on that. Understood? Anyways, so see here what we have given. If x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta cos theta and x sin theta equal to y cos theta, then prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. X square plus y square equal to 1. Okay, let us see what are given. Here the two conditions are given. One is x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta, and second one is x sin theta equal to y cos theta. Using these two conditions, we need to show what? X square plus y square equal to 1. So it is clear that we need to obtain the values of x and y in terms of sin and cos, right? We need to get the values of x and y in terms of sin and cos. That's it. So better you do that. See here. Okay. Here from this x sin cube theta plus y, take the condition which is given. X, I am writing the solution here. X sin cube theta. Okay, x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta cos theta. By making use of this second condition, okay, I want to split this according to my convenience. Okay, that I want to write this as x into sin theta. I want to split this sin theta into sin square theta. Sin cube theta I am splitting into sin theta into sin square theta. Okay, plus y. Okay, cos cube theta I am splitting into cos theta into cos square theta. Cos theta into cos square theta equal to sin theta cos theta. Right? I splitted this x sin cube theta into x, I wrote as it is. Sin cube theta I splitted into sin theta into sin square theta. Similarly, cos cube theta I have splitted into cos theta into cos square theta. Okay, why I split like this, I will tell you. Now group these two. Okay, now only we said that y cos theta can be written as what? X sin theta or not? In place of y cos theta, we can replace with x sin theta, right? So here y cos theta is there. First of all, write all this x sin theta into sin square theta plus here y cos theta value is there, no? Y cos theta value we can put here as x sin theta. So x sin theta into cos square theta equal to, this part would be written as it is, sin theta cos theta. What we have done, there we have done a small adjustment, that we have splitted sin cube theta into sin cube theta in sin theta and sin square into sin square theta, and cos cube theta as cos theta into cos square theta. Now y cos theta can be considered as x sin theta, so we can substitute y cos theta with x sin theta. That's it. Okay. Now here among these two terms, let me highlight with different color here. In these two terms, I mean here this term and here this term. In these two terms, x sin theta is a common term or not? It's a common factor. Let us take it out. Means x sin theta can be taken common. Now what is left inside? Here sin square theta left over, and here cos square theta is left, equal to what? Sin theta cos theta. Right. Okay. Now what is this, an identity or not? This is again trigonometric identity sin square theta, okay, plus cos square theta, for which the value would be 1. So we can put here 1. So x sin theta into 1 equal to what? Sin theta cos theta. Now x sin theta means sin theta means we can write it as x sin theta only. Now x equal to sin theta, on sending that side it will be sin theta cos theta by sin theta, right? Now we can cancel sin theta on numerator and denominator part. Of course, I am going step by step process according to board exam pattern, but if you want you can cancel from here only. Understood? We don't need to take it to that side. Okay, I am writing in a step by step process considering board exam pattern. Okay, anyways, so sin theta can be cancelled in numerator and denominator parts. So x equal to what did we obtain? Cos theta. X equal to cos theta we obtain. So we obtained the value of x. Now what is our next part? We need to obtain the value of y also or not? Exactly. So do one thing. Here we have given the relation x sin theta equal to y cos theta or not? Write down that y cos theta. I am writing in reverse. Y cos theta equal to x sin theta. X sin theta. Right? Now put down the value of x. Okay. Now put down the value. So cos theta, no? Okay, x equal to cos theta. Now put down the value of x here. Okay, now y cos theta equal to x value would be cos theta into sin theta. I wrote this as it is. What I did here, in this relation, in place of x, I put the value of x which I find here as cos theta. So I put here cos theta. If you want you can cut from here, but I am going in a stepwise process. So take here y equal to what? Cos theta sin theta. This is sent to another side, so therefore it is coming into denominator part. So denominator cos theta and cos this cos theta is cancelled. So what is left over? This is left. So y equal to what? Finally sin theta. Now I am highlighting here x value which is cos theta. I am highlighting here the y value which is sin theta. So what we are asked to prove? X square plus y square equal to 1. Just put down let us find out the value of x square and y square. X square plus y square. What is x value? Cos theta. So cos theta to that whole square will be cos square theta. What is the value of y? Here sin theta means sin square theta because it is y square. Now tell me guys, is it an identity or not? It is a trigonometric identity which is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and value of it would be obviously 1. So this is equal to 1. So hence we proved that, x square, that x square plus y square equal to 1. So we could obtain like this. So hope you guys are enjoying this models of the trigonometric identities. Okay, these are very simplest approaches. Shouldn't do hard work. Okay, you have to do smart, think smart. With a long practice also you will get these ideas. Understood? Do the long practices, and think smart. You will get ideas better than me. Understood? Not only me, anyone else in the world. So everyone is capable of doing the problems from trigonometry or else geometry or else mensuration or from algebra. These all topics are very simpler one, but here it depends on your attitude and your process of thinking, that how you are focusing on your studies. These all are important to build your educational career, especially in mathematics. Okay, so you don't need to worry about. We are going to make the videos, plenty of the videos on this all the topics of CBSE. Okay, in detail. Okay, considering all the slow runners also we are making the videos. And if anything else is there to say, please write them in the comment box. And if you are expecting anything else from us, write them in the comment box. We will definitely see the comments and consider the valid comments, and we will try to make the videos depending on your comment session, and we try to make the content in better levels. Anyways guys, I think you would have enjoyed this. So for today, this is it.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.